Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be making sweatshirt with zipper on the front. So I fold my fabric into two. I marked my starting point, as you can see. So the next thing is to mark out my length, which I marked 28 inches. The total length is supposed to be 30 inch, so I removed 2 inch for the band. So after marking my length, the next thing I did was to come down by 2.2 inch for shoulder slump, and I marked my neck width, which I marked 3 inch for the neck width and 1 inch for the neck depth. So I joined the line. After connecting the lines, I marked from that my neck width down to the shoulder slope. So from there, I marked my armhole. I used 11. I went in by 2 inch. As you can see the fabric folded, I went in by 2 inch and I connect the lines. So after connecting the line, I went ahead to cut it out, and this is what we have. This is the back for the back. I'm going to use it now, place it on top of fabric again, as you can see me doing, and we're going to cut out the front part. So you make sure that the one at the down part is bigger than the first one we cut, which is it used 1 inch. I gave 1 inch gap, and then we're going to trace it just as you can see me doing in this video now. So we are done cutting it. I'm going to mark the neck. I went down by 4 inch for the neck depth. This is for the front neck depth, and then I'll connect the line as you can see me do in this video. So we're going to cut it out after that, and that will be all for the front. Just open up the center part, as you can see. Now we're going to cut the sleeve. We start by folding our fabric into 4, as you can see. Then you slant your tape the way you see me do. Mark it. You fold your fabric using your armhole depth. So after that, you mark your length, which I used 22. The total length is supposed to be 24 inch. But finally, I used 23 inch for the distance, for the length. I minused 2 inch. So I'll cut the neck, the band. So after joining the band, it will give me 25 inches. After marking your sleeve, you just cut it out. Then the next thing you're going to do is to cut the band for the body band. So you fold your fabric this way. Just want to check if what I have there is enough. I want to have a straight line there. That was why I marked that chalk. So from there, I'm going to measure 6 inch. I'm going to measure that 6 inch, connect that line, and then cut it out. That will be for the waistband. So we're going to cut the hoodie cap, because this one we're sewing will have a cap. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut out this, and then this is what I have. I will measure. What I have here is 16 inch by 13 inch. So for the length will be 16 inch, which the width will be 13 inch. So I'm going to join this line. I want to have a straight line there because as you can see my fabric is not straight. So from there I went in by 1 inch, and I also went up by 1 inch also, as you can see, and I marked its slant. At that edge where I placed my tape, I marked 2 inch there, and I connect it to join this line. Just watch. I still repeat what I did there. I went up by 1 inch too. I just connect the line for you to see. We're cutting the wristband here for the sleeve. So I marked 6 inch. What I have there is 6 by 5 inch. So I'm going to fold this into 2 after sewing. So what we're going to do now is to sew the shoulder. We are done cutting. We're going to join the shoulder. So here now, I'm done joining the shoulder, and I went ahead to join the sleeve also. So I'll go ahead and close it. After closing it, you fold your fabric this way, measure the waist, then bring the band that you cut out before. You minus 4 inch from what you have here, and then sew it to the sleeve, to the bodies. So we're done sewing it, and I went ahead to join my zip. This is the hoodie now. We'll go ahead and sew the hoodie to it. From that zip area, we'll just fold it this way, mark out the center point from the back, then you place it together as you can see me doing, and then sew it round. After that, we'll join the sleeve. You see the way I fold this band, the wristband, that's the way you're going to fold it, and also sew it to it. While sewing it, you'll be dragging it. So we're done sewing it, and this is what we have. You just go ahead and press it. So after ironing, and that will be all. If you want to add print on it, you go ahead and do it, and this is the final look. This is what we'll have after sewing it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.